So I tend to not put too much stock in AI projections. They do analyze a lot of different points of data, and they can be good indicators about where price wants to head on a much broader trend. And there is one that came out for December 1st that I think people need to be aware of because this price movement is big and it may happen a lot faster than people realize. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So we know that Shib has actually been playing into this strength move for quite some time, obviously bottoming out all the way on August 5th in this current trend that we've been on. And you guys can see that we've had these nice extensions and then periods of consolidation before the next one, the next one, the next one. And that's exactly what Shiba Inu is doing currently. It had this nice breakout to basically 403. It came back down because we didn't hold 4028. And right now we're kind of mustering up the energy to make a push past these levels. Well, what's interesting about this is there's a lot of pressure here, right? There's a lot of whale buying activity going on. There's a lot of removal of supply that's happening. These are all things that have led to big bursts of price excitement in the past. And AI is projecting that these same things may in fact lead to a big burst of excitement in the very short term, because in fact, by December 1st, it is actually projecting that Shiba Inu is going to run to 40509. Now, again, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, and I tend to not put too much stock in these projections because they gauge. I'm not sure what data points they gauge, right? But it's kind of odd to see it actually spike in such a way, but then them actually say, yeah, we're actually going to correct. We're going to come back down and basically to the price point that we're at for the latter part of December. So what they're basically projecting is that we're going to get a big burst of excitement across the crypto market following Thanksgiving here. And what they point out are these specific price points, basically 40307 by today at some point, 404 by the 29th, 405 basically by the 30th, and then starting to correct a little bit starting on December 1st. Now, is this possible? Yeah. We're again at this point where Shib is trying to prep for this next big extension. This next big extension could be even bigger than the one we experienced back here. And this would obviously take us to a new cycle high in terms of Shiba Inu. And frankly, these price points are not unrealistic. Again, going back to the supply removal, that's given us everything we need to allow this move to the upside. There is very thin liquidity above these levels. Even we talked about this back here. We talked about there being only what was it like 20 trillion SHIB in resistance here, and there may even be less now as Shiba Inu has moved further on, as we have probably 30 trillion less Shiba Inu available in the market that there was back here. I mean, you talk about everything working right in Shib's favor. That's exactly what we're seeing right now. Wallets growing, whales accumulating, supply removing. Everything is happening exactly perfect. So now that being said, do I think this is going to happen? Maybe, maybe not. Again, the market sometimes just gets a bug up its butt and it explodes and does some crazy things. But that is kind of in the range where Shib will likely see its next extension, 406, 408, pushing towards an all-time high. And these are the levels that we've talked about as we run at least into the early part of next year. Maybe we see these in December, maybe we don't. You know that the trend is being set right now. You're looking for stability. You're looking for resilience in assets, and right now Shiba Inu is setting a very strong floor. It's slowly working its way to the upside. So it wouldn't surprise me if this breakout does happen sooner than later. So I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Do you think that we are going to get this breakout to 405 by December 1st? Are we not going to see this? But what are your thoughts as we get closer to the end of the year with SHIB? Do you think we're going to actually be pushing towards a new all-time high? So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.